Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a counterfeit money detector works step by step. First, the user places the banknote into the detector machine through the input slot. Then, the machine automatically pulls the note inside using small rollers, so the note can move smoothly through the scanning area. Next, the detector uses ultraviolet light to check hidden fluorescent security marks that are normally invisible to the human eye. After that, magnetic sensors examine the special magnetic ink printed on genuine currency because real notes often contain magnetic patterns that fake notes may not have. Then, the machine performs an infrared and color scan. In this step, it compares the note's infrared patterns, colors, printed details, and design accuracy with the stored data of genuine currency. Afterward, the size and thickness sensors measure the note's length, width, and paper thickness to make sure it matches the standard measurement of a real banknote. Furthermore, the detector checks important security features such as the watermark area, security thread position, and microprint zones. These features are very difficult for counterfeit notes to copy perfectly. Finally, after all checks are completed, the machine shows the result on its display. If the note passes the tests, it shows genuine and may produce a confirmation beep. On the other hand, if the note fails any major test, the machine may show suspect or counterfeit and reject the note. So, in simple words, a counterfeit money detector works by using UV sensors, magnetic sensors, infrared scanning, optical checking, and thickness testing to quickly identify fake notes and protect banks, shops, and businesses from financial loss. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.